this is a set tutorial, and I will assume that you already know the fundamentals of the language. So today I'm going to show you some beginner to intermediate level stuff, and let's start the video. So I will show you first how the arrays work. So let me create that. Let's say lucky numbers. This is an array. Int lucky numbers equal to, say, 3, 2, 4, 6, 99, 123. So inside the array, or let me use that. Inside the array, we do have some values, and every value has a pointer, has an index. Index. So let's say you want to have access to the number 2. You will use lucky numbers with the index 1. So if you print lucky numbers 1, you will get 2. If you want to get number 3, you will use lucky numbers 0. And this goes for the rest of them. We start counting by 0. So number 3 has the position 0. And you can also change the array. So let's say lucky numbers, say 0 equals to 5. Okay, and now if we print lucky numbers, we will get 5, 2, 4, 6, 99, and 123. So I hope you understand that. Let's continue the video. So now I will show you, let me first write that and then I will explain. We have the car name. Let's make it like 25. So right now I will show you how to use input to the console, and in this example I will ask for a student name, and then the computer will print the student name. Let me write that first and I will explain. Enter your name. Okay, so fgets, what it basically does, it's letting the user to type something in the console. This is like for input. So let's write name. Let's make it up to 20, 25, and use stdi in. So this means that the input will happen inside the console. You just use that and you're good to go. And then we will printf, and your name is, we need to use this as well. So to say that we do have a string, that's what s means. And then we use name. So this was it. Let me run that. Build succeeded. I don't see any results though. Yeah, I'm trying to find the results. I don't know where are they. Anyway, So if we run that, if we run that, it will ask us for a name. Then we'll give it a name up to 25 characters, and then we will get this result. So let me continue with that. I'll show you how. Let me erase that. I will show you how cases work. So let's say we have car grade equals to A. So switch grade. This is like an if statement. You'll see what I mean. So case A. Come on. Case A. Let me use that in the above as well. Okay, case A. Printf grade. Ella grade. Okay. So then we break. Break means you skip the program. So I will add another case, and then let me use case B. Let's say case B. Let me copy and paste that to save some time. Let's write kinda grade. So what this basically does is we have a grade A. Switch means like you enter the grade and it checks if it's A, it will print grade, and then it will skip the program. You can use like C, D, E, F, and then let's say like the default value. If it's nothing of the above, it will print like you entered a wrong value or something like that.
So let's say we have a number, an integer number. So printf enter your number, and then we have this scan f, and then we use the percent %d, small d. I have the caps locks on, and the end and the number. Straightforward stuff. So number, let's say if number is less than 0, we print less than ella 0. Oops, Python stuff. Okay, let me indent that. Okay, I use the tab. If you don't know how to indent a line, you use the tab. So if number less than 0, then we print less than 0. We can use else. Let's say else if, and use number equals 0. Then we printf let's say yeah, my bad. And now let's say it's equal to 0, and now we use else, and we say greater, and we want to use the printf. What's up with the mistakes today? printf. Okay, so pretty straightforward stuff. Now I will show you the while loop. So let me erase all that. Come on. So let's say I have an int called I equals 1, let's say, and while I is, let's say, less than 4, we printf percent, and then we use d, we use next line, and then I. So we want to increment I. So what this will do, we have an int called I and it's equal to 1. So while I is less or equal than 4, so 1 less or equal than 4, it will print I and then it will add 1 to the I. So it will be, first will be 1, we will enter here, it will print 1, then I will be 2, it will go back to the while loop and will check if 2 is less or equal than 4. Again, it prints 2. It's 2 plus 1, 3. Again, we go back to the while loop. Let's say we did it again and we have 4 less or equal than 4. Again, it's true, so we go back and then we print 4, I is equal to 5, and then we go back, we check if 5 is less or equal than 4, it's false, and then we go out. If we want to print here the value of I, it will print 5 because the last value we entered, the last time we saw I, it was 5. And it skipped the while loop. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and in the next video I will create a calculator using se. Bye bye.